Welcome to the Daily Blazer, and to kick off the show we're going to give you a piece of advice. Standing on the landing of a kicker is not a good place to start bird watching because you're going to get nailed in the head. So this weekend sees the return of the Nike Snakes and Hammers. This is like a slope-style bank slalom, and it's all about pros versus AMs versus local heroes. This thing is going to be so sick, and here's a little snippet of what to expect. So last weekend, Crystal Ground hosted Jib Days III. This is an all-ladies event, and these girls absolutely shredded to the heaviest. We've got a sneak preview before the edit comes out this Friday. Have a look at these girls throw down. Looking pretty and shredding pretty. Thanks for watching the Daily Blizzard. Tune in tomorrow. We got another how not to, and it's all about methods. Yeah. See you tomorrow.